Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about making your home super scary for Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our awesome home decor tips. Let's get started. Let's talk about your front doors. You want it to look really creepy. You can hang a spooky wreath with spider and ghostly stuff on it. Add some scary lantern to light the way to your door. This will set the mood right from the start. Now let's move into the living room. You can place black cat decoration, put up ghost stickers on the walls, and hang array paintings. Get some scary candles like big candle holders or Halloween's themes candles holder to make it look even spooky. Next, the dining rooms. Convert the table with a dark red tablecloths and use plates with skulls on them and spiderweb placement. Dim the lights and put fake spiderwebs in the corner to make it feel like a hundred houses. Don't forget about your outdoor decor. Make your yard or porch super scary with big skeleton decoration, fake thumbs, and fog machines. You can also add scary crows to keep people on edge. For your bedroom, make it feel like a haunted rooms with red curtains, scary pillows, and a spooky bed covers. Hang some creepy fabrics from the ceiling for a ghosty effect, and put fake rat or spiders around for extra spookiness. There you have it. With the right decoration, you can make your home super scary for Halloween. Share your own Halloween decor ideas in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love Halloween. Thanks for watching.